Hey ChoroQ fans, I picked up another Ford GT40. I never knew about this livery. There's so many ChoroQs I don't know about because there's no like online resource of all the castings and colors. So this has mesh wheels. A lot of the road going GT40s had wire mesh wheels, as you can see, and this is the kind of the closest thing I could find to this particular livery, which actually doesn't make much sense because it has like carbon fiber treatment here. Carbon fiber didn't exist on cars in the 1960s, right? So, or you can call it a checkerboard pattern. I don't know, but to me, it looks like a toy carbon fiber. Anyways, it must have come from this collection called Route 66. I've seen a few of these Route 66 cars now. So it's a really strange livery. It actually has racing stripes, but then it's broken up by this checkerboard stuff, right? Kind of strange. Alright, well anyways, there's some racing stripes here on the side as well, and these are GT40 wheels, but more like the racing ones, not road-going ones. And then the vent here actually has some depth in black paint. The door handle is really finely molded, as well as the door cuts. More of that checkerboard there. The window cutout is nice. There's some silver here for fog lights. These are smooth but painted black, those vents. And then the headlights, there's a rectangle printed on this black backing. Fuel filler is silver. There's a NACA duct here, and then this smoked plastic body here. This side looks okay, looks the same as the other side. There's an inserted chrome plastic grille here, and the stripes are generally straight, it looks like. So that's good. And then it just has a clear coin holder in the back, and then some red for the taillights and some vents, some black there. Alright, standard construction of a screw and a tab, and it's made for Target Japan, which I think is a retail outlet, and it's from 2007. So, I've never actually done a wheel swap on any of my Choro's GT40s, but this is such a weird looking one, I don't really care about it as much. So I'm going to have some metallic Hot Wheels wheels I'm going to swap in. Let's see if this tab opens though. Oh, nice, okay. Oh, yeah, there we go. So that's the melt mark for that chrome piece. But yeah, it's just one body and just painted really well. So I'm going to save these for a different ChoroQ. Then we're going to pop in this motor here that I took the axle out of. And then I'm going to hand screw this back together so I don't strip out that thread. Gotta get that tab through. Alright. Find the thread. Okay, so now I have some poster putty. There. 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 And there. Alright, so I bought these wheels a long time ago, but I don't like them anymore. Not for realistic looking models. I just feel the photo etch is too flat, From straight on they look like wire wheels, but once you turn them, that doesn't look like a wire wheel at all. So they do have a disc brake system though. That's kind of nice back there. Hopefully you can see. Yeah. Anyways, it's good enough for a ChoroQ. Maybe no longer good enough for realistic models in my collection. And then let's pop that in here. Yep, that disc brake, I forgot. I gotta keep the rotor. I don't know if really where they belong, but I like to always just put them by the door. Oh, sorry, there's extra putty on that for some reason. So yeah, I can sink the tire just like the real GT40. That's cool. And yeah, you really don't see the putty, unless you literally flip it over, but who displays their models like that? If you do need some more spacing, you can jam some more in there. And this putty never seems to harden or strip paint or anything like that. It's very inert. So it's very, very good for toys. No, there's really not much camber in a race car like that. Alright, I do have a few other GT40s. This number 40, white with blue stripes. It's actually got intakes on the back. And I actually painted the wheels more like the race car. Here's a yellow version with some black stripes. And I just added black paint into those spokes there. So these are from Route 66, but this is like some sort of Ford collection. My favorite one, though, is this one. It's from the old Garage series, and it's like an old garage find Gulf livery GT40. I never painted the spoke openings, but it just looks old and beaten, right? It's really cool looking. That's my favorite one for sure. It's hard to go wrong with any GT40, but I guess this is the lamest of them because it just makes no sense, those graphics. I don't know what they were thinking. But anyways, it would have been better just leaving it all plain. Alright, anyways. Gave me an excuse to use these wheels because I've had them for over a year, just doing nothing. So I'll put them on the Choro. I don't know who makes that Megatron figure. Maybe Bandai or something. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next ChoroQ wheel swap.